Today we're making stir-fried pork in a spicy pineapple chili sauce, and I'm going to be using both the chunks and the juice from some canned pineapple here. The chunks because I love pineapple chunks in my stir-fries, and the juice because it makes a lovely sweet and tangy sauce. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by mixing up the sauce. To a bowl, add the juice from a 430 gram or 15 ounce can of pineapple, along with a tablespoon of white wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of caster sugar, 2 tablespoons of tomato puree or paste in the US, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 to 2 tablespoons of sriracha, and a tablespoon of corn flour or cornstarch in the US. Now mix all that together so the corn flour is completely incorporated. Now add in 180 ml or 3/4 of a cup of chicken stock. Stir it all together again and then put to one side. Now we're going to heat 2 tablespoons of oil over a high heat in a wok. I've got 500 grams, which is a little over a pound of pork tenderloin here, sliced into thin strips, and to that I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper, then add that to the wok. Stir fry that for about 3 to 4 minutes until the pork is lightly browned. Now add in 2 minced cloves of garlic, 2 teaspoons of minced ginger, 200 grams or 1 1/3 cups of mangetout, a red bell pepper that's been sliced, a sliced red chilli, and the chunks from that tin of pineapple. Stir fry it all together for about another 3 minutes until the pork is completely cooked through and the pineapple is hot. Now we're going to add in that sauce we prepared earlier and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, stirring often until the sauce is hot and thickened. Then turn off the heat and we're ready to serve. I love to serve this over a big pile of boiled rice or noodles. And then top with some spring onions and chilli flakes. There we go, all ready in 25 minutes. This perfectly tangy pork stir fry is absolutely delicious. And spicy too.